Okay. It is like,
it's like ice.
It's almost gonna be 6 o'clock. Yeah, don't make it shed. And
It's like
my air mattress is flat, and my dad's. Luke's isn't, and he's got a negative 40-degree bag, and I got a negative 20.
Where'd the light go?
It's so freaking cold. Yeah, turn that on.
Where?
Give it to me.
Where?
Oh, the tripod's so cold, man. I'm holding it. Oh, jeez.
Got it. Oh, look at that.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, it's so bright.
The camera's fogging up. I should turn it off. Okay, hang on, guys. Hang on. Oh my gosh, it's a freaking wolf. Where?
Out on the ice. Taking pictures of it?
I'm videoing.
I got the gun down. I don't see it. Oh, that thing?
Oh.
Dad,
What?
you gonna shoot it, okay?
No.
Dad, get the big tripod so we can have it focused.
Oh, okay.
Holy moly, guys. It's a freaking wolf. Or coyote. That looks like a wolf because it's pretty big. It's like eating something. Okay. Hang on, we're gonna get the big tripod.
Jake, there aren't coyotes up here because
Wolves eat them?
the wolves kick them out.
Holy snap, dude. Look, he's sprinting. Where's he going?
Where's his dog?
Where is he?
Show me, Jake.
I think there's still one out there. You see it?
Yeah, I see it.
I thought wolves are bigger than that.
Luke, that's a long ways away.
How many miles do you think it is?
Yeah, he sees us. He's looking straight at us.
A mile.
Ooh, look at him move.
Okay, it's time. Is he still there?
I lost him. Oh. Yeah.
He's moving. Is he running or walking?
He's like sprinting.
Hey, stop. You looking over here?
Okay, let's find him, guys. There he is. See if there's more. Usually they're not alone.
Push my sled.
It's frozen in there. He's just staring us down. He knows we're here.
Come on, give it.
Okay. Whoops, sorry guys. This is so freaking cool, dude. He looks like a little, tiny, itty bitty weeny ant. Dad, he just laid down. He's staring at us so hard. Yeah. I can't even see him anymore because he's laying down now. What the frick? If he starts coming over here, man, I'm gonna crap my pants. Oh my gosh, Dad, he's coming over here. Well, it's gonna take him a pretty long time if he's going that pace, dude. Here, I'll show you how long this is gonna take. Yeah, dude, you gotta run.
So I can't go anywhere on these. Jake's been filming for like 15 minutes now. Ain't that good?
Dad, you hear me?
Oh.
The wolf is coming over here.
Okay.
Prove it.
Okay, then come over here, butthole. I think he found like an ice fishing hole and he's digging at it. I know this isn't the greatest like quality, but okay, why did it just do that? Because the camera is super cold. Come on.
You found something?
Yep. It's like a fox because it looks so small from here. But now when he's getting closer, it looks pretty big, dude. Yeah, like he totally found something.
Is he looking over here?
Yeah. Man, my hands are cold. I gotta stop.
You bumped it.
And, oh, dang it. I need to put my gloves on.
What happens if I move my skis?
He perks up. Like, smack him.
Zoom in.
Wait, hang on.
Is he moving now?
Okay, ready?
Wait. Camera's so cold.
Uh-huh.
Hey, did you zoom in on the fox?
Yep.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh, he's eating something. Oh, yeah, look, he totally looked up at us.
Yeah, he did.
Here, someone else do this. My hands are dead.
Okay, I'll do it.
I'll do it.
Well, you could set the recording off.
Oh, yeah. Okay, he is on the move again. Came out of his little hiding spot. It's probably like over to his little buddy. Because we thought there was another wolf. And I think he's staring at us right now. Or yet, no.
There you go. Yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Don't face into the wind.
Man, that's pretty high def.
Dad,
What?
I'm gonna go over there.
Yep, he made up his mind. He's gonna come over here and try to eat us. Hang on, I'm gonna put my gloves on, guys, okay? Because we're. Oh, look, he's.
The ice is thin enough.
He's full on sprinting. Where'd he go?
It was open.
That's totally last year.
It was open.
Yeah, it's a lot colder now, right?
But that means
Is it colder this year than last year?
that means the water's moving underneath it though.
I know. But Dad, is it colder this year than last year?
Yes.
Yeah.
Cause last year we went later in the year and the lake was half open. Look, and it's solid this year.
Don't that make sense a little bit? He's crossing the lake. He's halfway there.
Is he just kind of jogging?
Yeah.
See, I told you he's on his morning jog.
Oh.
No, Dad.
What?
Luke just said he's on his morning jog.
Over there. Let's say the ice is thin. If I go on my boots, will the ice break? If I go on there, will it break? Or no?
You can stand on thinner ice with the skis on.
Look how far he is, guys.
There we go.
Look.
Yeah, I bet you no one else has seen a wolf.
I don't. I want to check the toes.
Okay, sorry guys, I'm trying. Oh, snipple.
Well, then my toes will get cold if I take them off.
Okay, my brother just fell over on the skis. I think he might think that Luke's wounded. I don't know. It's a wolf. I know this is gonna be really, really long of the wolf, but I'll edit it out. So it's probably gonna be like 8 minutes. I don't know. I want to set up the GoPro on our stuff because we're gonna leave to go to the falls, and then we're gonna see if like he does stuff. I want to see if he does that. That's all. Man, I wish he was like a straight up black wolf. Or like those kind that look mean. When we went and looked at the DNR at Grand Marais, there was no sightings of wolves. So we're like the first in a year. I know, it would take us a day to get there.
I'm not scared anymore. I'm
Okay, I'm literally about to pee my pants. Because he looks pretty big now.
Let me vlog, move.
Okay.
Want to go to the other side over there and ski?
So here he is. And I was skiing over there, but now I don't want to.
Not way over there.
Well, not, yeah, way over there, but I was halfway. He stopped.
The gun loaded not? No, it's not yet. No, it's not longer, is it? Maybe turn up the stove and it'll scare him away.
We're only at 80 zoom, and before we were at 160.
I was just going to shut the stove off.
So, this is at half right now. He sees you moving, guys.
Yeah, I know. He's gonna come over here, dude. I'm gonna crap. We have to leave tonight, you know why, Dad? Because he knows we're here.
We should give him some food. I want to, but I want to do it, and I don't want to do it. I'm taking a picture, sorry.
Okay, I took you guys off the tripod.
He's like, what are those things? Does he know what they are?
I don't know.
And he thinks it's food.
He's probably around like 60 meters out there.
Start filming from there, yeah. Get the tripod over here.
If we get the tripod, we're gonna get some dope pictures. Get the tripod over here, look.
He is.
Okay, Rose Falls is right over there, and he's gonna go walk over there because that's like the only open water out here.
Really coming over here.
Now we technically have to leave camp tonight because here, come over here. Because he knows we're here now. Now he's gonna wait till we like fall asleep. Probably come with the pack. Okay.
Okay, there you go. Oh, yeah, perfect.
Do it! We got a gun. Let's do it. And we're not gonna shoot him unless he starts to attack us. We're just gonna shoot it and then like try to scare him away because it's gonna make his ears ring. Na, 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 na.
No, and then have it do like I showed you.
Oh, they stopped. Are you looking over here?
Yep.
Stop.
All right.
Should we howl?
No.
Should we?
No.
Well, if he starts to howl, I can howl.
He's coming back.
He's coming.
He's coming back.
He's actually farther than he was when he was right there.
I know.
Are you scared now, Jake?
Nah.
It's so quiet.
I know. I love that.
Warmer now.
At the city, you can never get quietness, man. Ooh. So, a wolf went bye-bye. We gotta pack everything up. That's not even half, you guys. So, gotta do all this. And we're gonna leave. Last time, when we went through the border trail, there's what you call it? Hills. So there's gonna be more of those. And then we're also gonna record it on the GoPro. This time I'm probably gonna get better angles. So bye, guys. Super blue skies
Freeze right in this little pot area.
Okay.
all the way until right there. Hang on. And you can see it.
You could put stuff in here like these heat things. This is garbage.
Still getting everything ready.
One of them has a good heater in it. There's one left.
This one.
Yeah.
I'm in the Milky Way. Okay, so I just took my sunglasses off, so that's maybe my might be. Oh geez, you didn't stop.
Another hill. Act like I'm skiing. Yeah! I'm using my poles. Haha! Jake, look! Yeah! Battery low. Okay. Guess the battery's pretty low. It keeps telling me that. Okay. Time for another hill. I gotta turn this off. Battery's low. And so here's another hill. I can't use too much battery because it says battery low. I'm using my sticks to go forward, but you could probably see another hill up here. Fixing the camera a little bit. Watch out! I'm coming down! Oh, what the heck happened? Okay. Here I go. Woo! Woo! Watch out, Jake! Oh! 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 Got that on camera. Oh no! All my stuff fell. Oh crap! My dad's gonna be mad. Okay, and my spear things. I forgot what they're called. Ski poles. Okay. I'm coming back down, Jake. Okay. Here we go. I'm God, that hurt. Ow! Ow! Oh, God. Yeah. That was fun. But there's another person. We've got to stop. Oh, God. Ouch. I like literally stopped right here and then skirt. Ow.
Can you one fall? We're just going in for the day.
We saw a wolf on the street right here.
Oh yeah?
In the morning. We camped. Look, I'm stuck.
You're stuck?
You were camping?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, here comes Dad. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. Crap. Oh. Woo! Yeah! Oh, my ski fell off.
Woo. Okay. So we made it to the other side of the portage, and we're just about to put my skis on. So I gotta do that, and then I rode down a couple times. I did not film it. If I did, this camera would be gone by now. Okay, I've been skiing along these for quite some time, but they're wolf tracks. Look at how big that sucker is. It just keeps on going.
Come on, go, or else I'll push you.
Oh shoot. Oh, cramp. I'm good. Besides the cramp. Other than the cramp, I'm pretty good. Oh shoot. Oh, am I gonna make it? Yep. Woo. Oh, sweet. Didn't get hurt.
Already?
Put your feet up. Oh! Cool. Yeah. No, stop. Holy shit! Rock! Oh, rock! Oh! Gosh, I'm in water. Woo! You ready, Dad?
Yep.
Oh. Phew, that car stinks. Alrighty. Oh shoot, going backwards. Oh, I think it is. I think that is. I'm hitting the snowbank. And it's open right there.
I know. I saw that.
Tired.
This has been like 10 hours and like 30 minutes. Should this stop it?
Yeah, bad sunburn. So, I'm the dead dude in A Christmas Carol. Oh yeah, so we stopped at a gift shop. My dad's getting coffee at a
Store.
Java Moose. It's backwards in the camera. And stopped at a gift shop. Stopped at what's it called? I don't know, some pizza place. It's like Salone and Ollie's.
Yeah.
Yeah, Salone and Ollie's. I mean, like, it's pretty good. It's probably good for the locals. Because that's like the only pizza shop they have. They probably don't even have Walmart.
They don't.
Oh, they don't.
They don't even have Target.
That's what's pretty cool, dude. It looks like that guy's peeing. You guys see that? That's funny.
I thought you meant a real.
So, okay, so we're gonna stop at the DNR and then tell them we saw a wolf. And we're gonna put like a little wolf sticker where we saw the wolf. And there was no wolf stickers besides there's like bear and moose and skunk.
Put the camera
and
down. You can't even see your face.
oh yeah. Oh,
Mom's gonna be mad.
at least we wore sunglasses.
Oh.
I'm gonna zoom in on
Superior. All the way, Jake. Car coming.
yeah, the ice like moves.
Enjoy the front.
Oh, it's focused on that antenna. See, look.
Whoa.
And that looks cool on the camera. Says closed. Wait, we got this. Oh, I don't know if we got it. Darn.
All it said was closed. 800. No, it said 800 to 400.
Jeez, everyone's shaking. Oh, look, he's walking out. My gosh, if we hit this little sucker.
You want some cash? I'll give you some money.
Oh, look, you can see his breath. Oh, there he goes. Look. Oh, there's a lot. There's like 3.
Was there?
Yeah. Okay, roll up your window. He would have jumped out if you didn't slow down.
40 or 70 deer.
Deer. You see him back there, Luke?
No, but there's blood splattering all over the road. The farmers. No, my sheep.
What? Shit.
Look. Is that a deer? That's a deer. Oh, look, more deer.
Look at them all.
Oh, wow, yeah, that was a lot. I was filming this for a while. I was like this.
Our destination. Deer.
Oh, yeah. Didn't even see him.
Here's some.
Oh, there's 2.
They're eating some grass.
Man, is this when they come out up here?
Yeah, I guess.
Whoa, look at the sun. It's like, whoa. There's like...
Holy crap, there is a bunch.
Look at something must be chasing them.
Something has to.
That was like 2 dozen, dude.
Were they all like ready?
Oh, look, there's another one.
Dad said.
Yeah, there must have been something chasing them.
Dad, you said deer first because me and Jake are looking around here.
Yeah, and Dad's looking straight. And then,
Yeah, I'm watching the road and also. It's like Santa's reindeer. Here they all come.
they did. They hit a deer, dude. Hey, what was that? That was something small. Okay, one deer there. Oh, there he goes.
He's like, I'll just wait.
Oh. Oh, there's 2.
Yeah.
Oh. When we're in the car. Moving 65 miles an hour. The moon. So high def, Luke. I could have got his plate.